how to create an Instagram bio that actually helps you to sell. My name is Sienna Kopishki, and I am a Christian sales coach. I help Christian entrepreneurs learn how to make more money by putting Jesus first in their business. And I just want to say, first and foremost, if you are looking to grow on Instagram in 2024, going into 2025 or 2025 and beyond, listen to me. You need an Instagram bio that focuses on SEO, because Instagram hashtags are out and SEO is in. Praise the Lord. So we are going to be chatting all about how to properly craft your Instagram bio. What is going to make it stand out? What is going to bring in those juicy leads to easily finding you every single time? Instagram is how I've made almost 100% of my sales, and so I love this platform. I also love LinkedIn and Facebook groups, but for different reasons, and I have different strategies for each all over my YouTube channel, so go check them out, go see what it's all about. But today, right now, right here, we're talking all things Instagram. Okay, so before we get into the meat and potatoes of today's video, I just want to share that I have openings for Consecration Academy. Consecration Academy is my hybrid one-on-one and group coaching program that helps Christian entrepreneurs learn how to make more money in their businesses. So if you're interested, check out the description below and let's do it. I'm so excited and I can't wait to work with you. Okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, so now we're talking about how to craft your Instagram bio. This is so juicy. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're taking notes because I'm gonna get into the meat and potatoes of it all. So first and foremost is that you need an extremely, extremely clear profile photo. And what I love is that for specific, like this one, you can see my face and you can see my body. If you can just show your face, great. If you can show both, awesome. People want to know what you look like because they need to know, like, and trust you. Here is my opinion, and I'm going to just share this really quickly. My honest and real opinion about your Instagram photo, your profile photo, is that if you are like a big creator or a really, really, really big brand, like let's say Walmart or Target, you are 1000% going to want to have your logo. However, if you are a personal or very, very small brand, it's going to be so important to have your face and not have your logo. I've seen way too many people say, Sienna, I'm not making any sales in their businesses. And I go to look at their Insta, especially if they're using Instagram to generate sales and generate leads. I go to look at their Instagram account and there is a logo and they're a personal brand or they're a small business with no employees. This is not the move. Here's my recommendation. If you have 5 or more employees, have a logo. If you just have yourself, please have yourself. People need to know, like, and trust you in order to buy from you. That's just my hot take. So just be sure when you're posting your profile photo that you just have a super, super clear photo. Next, let's go in and talk about your name tag, your name versus your tag. So the very first highlight that I have up here is my tag. This is where people can use @Sienna Kopishki in order to tag me. However, I also have a name. So I am a personal brand. When you hire my company, you are hiring Sienna Kopishki directly. So you'll notice that it says Sienna, and then I have a dash or a line, and then it says sales coach for Christian business owners, because that's exactly what I do. Like right now, if someone were to go in and type in sales coach for Christian business owners or even sales coach, I would pop up because I'm using all of those keywords. Make sure you are super specific right here and you're using keywords that share what you do. If you're a coffee shop and the name of your coffee shop is called Highlighter, this is an example because I have a marker in front of me. You're going to want to put highlighter and then a dash and then what it is that you do. Coffee shop in Daytona Beach, Florida, right? Because you need to be able to use keywords to bring in the right people. Your Instagram tag is how people tag you. Your name needs to be SEO friendly. I always recommend having your name as your actual first name if you are a small business. If you're a larger business, this is going to be very, very different, and I'll walk you through that in just one second. But for my small business owners, my solopreneurs, my freelancers, you just need to have your first name. You don't need to put your last name in your actual name, and then you need to have some kind of spacing, something. I have that line, and then you need to put what it is specifically that you do and who it is that you help in as many characters as Instagram will allow you to have. Now, if you are a bigger brand, this is going to look so much different. You are going to just have the name of your business, and then you can put what it is that you do. And when I say bigger brand, this is still where I'm talking more than 5 employees under you, because at that point you are running a company. And when I say employees, I'm talking about W-2, not contractors. Like, this is your brand. At that point, this is a bigger company. You're not as personal. You have enough money in your bank account where it doesn't matter if you're personal. People are going to hire you because they know you. They've already liked you. They've already trusted you. That is when you can make that switch and do it that way. But for now, if you are a smaller creator, smaller business owner, a freelancer, have your first name, have some kind of spacing, and then put exactly what it is that you do. That area is SEO friendly, so people are going to be able to find you based off of that. Cool. Now we're going to go in and we're going to talk about your title. So this is a little bit different. This is exactly what it is that you do. Instagram allows you to choose from a plethora of titles. One of them, your title goes right here where it's highlighted. My title is business consultant because that's what I actually do. So select a title that is closest to what it is that you do. All right. Now let's talk about the body of your bio, which comes next. So the body of your bio, as you can see, is highlighted here. I believe in having a 3-sentence structure. Your very first sentence, which you can see, mine are all separated by emojis. I highly recommend that as well, or like bullet point in some capacity. I put a money bag sign, and I put sales coach for Christian business owners who want to make more money while aligning to God's will. That is what I do. That is what I teach. The second piece of this is I give social proof. I believe in social proof. I actually want to change this to like how many people I've helped make 6 figures in X amount of time. But I believe that you should have 3 sentences. Your very first sentence should be what it is that you do. So sales coach for me, right? I'm a sales coach. Who it is that you help for Christian business owners and why you help them, because they want to make more money while aligning to God's will. Okay, that is your very first sentence. Your second sentence, which should be separated by a bullet point, should be some form of social proof. So I put Jesus plus mama plus military spouse. Okay, because I love Jesus. That is who I consider God. I am a mama. I want people to know that I'm a mama, and I'm a military spouse. Your very last sentence needs to be your call to action. This is where you tell people exactly how to work with you or what it is that the action that they need to take. For me, I made it super simple. Work with me down below. It's a down arrow because it's pointing to my link, which brings me to my next point, because we are going to now talk about our links. So next you can see my link is here. One thing that I want to say about the link is it doesn't take you directly to my website. My website is siennakopischke.com. My website is not siennakopischke.com/Consecration Academy. Consecration Academy is the program in which I'm currently selling right now. So I have a link directly there, and I'm going to show you why. When you are selling something and you are actively selling, you're showing up on social media, you're posting your content, you are selling in your stories, just like I teach. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. You are selling in your stories. When you are doing the work that needs to be done on Instagram, you need to make sure people aren't going to a general link. So what happens a lot is we have this beautiful website that we've created and we send people to the homepage, but we really want people to buy. And so what I have found that is beneficial for myself, that has been super beneficial for helping my clients hit 6 figures in their businesses, is to have a link that goes directly to where they can buy, where they can learn more about that specific offer. Especially if you're only selling one offer, then you want to take them directly to the page on the website that has that one offer. If you're an e-commerce brand and you have a couple of products, right, you may want to take them to the page on your website that has all of your products. If you are selling one product only, take them directly to the landing page, directly to that page that talks about that one product. Don't take them to the main page because they're going to get lost and they're not going to get to the sales page that you need them to get to. Take them to exactly where they need to go to make and generate those sales. Now, this is very different if you have multiple offers. Then you want to use something like Linktree or some kind of bio thing that has multiple links. But even still with those links, you want to take them to exactly where they can buy and purchase for each and every single one of those links, or sign up depending on if it's like a free offer or something. That is my 1000% recommendation as a sales coach who has helped so many women land 6 figures in this particular year that we're in now. Okay, well, you just watched exactly how to craft your Instagram bio in a way that is going to generate sales for your business. I hope that this video has helped you. I hope that you start to make sales and start to drive in traffic to your Instagram account from this video and from these strategies that I've taught today. I want to invite you really quick into Consecration Academy. Consecration Academy is my hybrid one-on-one and group coaching program that teaches Christian entrepreneurs how to make more money while aligning to Jesus' will in their business. Consecration Academy is open right now, and I hope to see you apply for that program because I would love to help you hit 6 figures in your business if you're not there already. And if you are there already, then let's work on hitting 7 figures together. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have enjoyed this video. I have lots of educational videos that I will be posting and have posted. And then also check out the description below to learn everything about me and ways that we can connect because I want to get to know you. I'll see you soon.